intro for the things. Whenever you're ready,
Okay.
My name's Jenny. I'm gonna sing a song. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna write down 50 states.
Oh, I'm good.
Okay. Hi. I think so. Should I just? Okay. Hello. Hello. My name is Jay.
Are we good for mic check?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello, my name is Avery Ruth. I'm a journalism major, graphic design minor. What? I'm good? Okay.
Keep the fit.
I'm just going right into it. Oh, okay, okay.
Okay. Ready? Go.
Okay. My task today is to write down the 50 states in as little time as I can. So, got to start with good old Pennsylvania.
Should I start doing some facts about each of the states?
If you feel so inclined.
I looked at a college in Maine. There's New Jersey. I went to Texas one time, really good.
Okay, my plan is to just go through and get as many as I can and then go back because I know I'm going to miss some.
I was forced to learn this in elementary school, so Alabama, Alaska, Arizona.
All right, here's how I'm going to do this. I'm going to give a personal reason for each state. So South Carolina, my grandma is from there. Texas, my stepdad is from there. Pennsylvania, I am from there.
Colorado. I unfortunately did not learn the state song that everybody seemed to know out there, so I'm at a disadvantage, I fear.
Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan,
New Mexico, California.
Oh my God, there's no other states. North Carolina, Mr. B. Should I start doing some facts about each of the states? South Dakota, North Dakota. Is there an East Dakota? Is there?
I'm not even halfway through. This sucks. How much time do I have left? You can't tell me that. I don't know what I'm asking.
West Virginia, Wisconsin, Wyoming. All right, done.
Wow.
Nice. Thank you.
Okay. Washington, we skipped.
I'm trying to think of West Coast states.
Hawaii.
Oh, Alabama. Oh, I know that little area. Alabama. Rhode Island.
Huh?
Illinois, MagicCon Chicago is there. Been there 2 years in a row. Going for a third. It's upcoming February. Catch me there.
Sorry.
Oh man, I'm missing something. Hold on. Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Mississippi, Missouri, Montana, Nebraska. Nevada. How did I miss Nevada? All right. I need 3 more to get halfway.
I hit a wall. I can't think of anything else.
30 seconds.
South Dakota.
Oh, what's the one? Oklahoma? That one's shaped like a pot and pan, and I like to cook. Fun fact about me. I'm so stuck on these.
Okay, 26. I'm halfway there. Halfway there. I think I can make it. Mexico. Mexico is not in the U.S. Hawaii. Hawaii. What else? The Philippines.
That's it.
Okay.
That's a territory.
Thank you.
Yep, good stuff.
I'm blanking on every state that ever was. I got Delaware. Connecticut. Okay. Connecticut.
Oregon. Pennsylvania. Oh wait, I can abbreviate. I've been writing out every single name. Okay. Okay. Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island. Oh, oops. Sorry. Okay.
There's one that I'm missing. The pressure is on. Illinois. Oh, you got that one. Ah, that's so upsetting.
I think I can live with that. I can live with 35.
Ohio. Oh my God. Iowa already got. I think that's near Ohio.
Huh?
33. I could have known worse. Okay, I'm done. Bye.
What's the potato one? What's the potato one? The one with all the potatoes in it. It's only like 4 letters. It sounds like Ohio, but it's not Ohio. It's on the other side of the world. Idaho!